Going for a ride on our 2017 Icon golf cart now with Navitas. These brakes all around working great. Headlights on. This car should have been thrown in the landfill. Drive system components were obsolete. Couldn't get them from our Icon dealer. And they even tried to go through the main hub in Texas, I suppose. So we got aggravated and put this Navitas 5 kilowatt kit in here. Got the screen. Now here on this asphalt, it is smooth. Really a blast to drive, actually. Brakes. Good brakes. I don't think I really have much of performance tuning on this setup. Let's take a look at this. So, 2017 Icon, like I said, with a Club Car DS main harness. So the kit, the Navitas kit, is for a Club Car DS. The original throttle in the Icon is one of those Curtis style potentiometer boxes, so it was able to tune to the Club Car Navitas setup. The light kit was also integrated into the Icon, so we gutted all the wires out of it. And the light kit in it now is for a Club Car DS, and we manually spliced it into all the original lights. So we got all of that working properly. The DS harness accommodates for everything, including a hazard light. Got our running lights in the back. And there's a tag light up in there, just because that's where it was originally. And the Navitas screen, we're using our new Arkham EV Navitas display housings. So that's bolted down into this ABS plate that we also cut using the original dash for a template. And then once that's bolted in, you just put the screen in there and bolt it through the back. There's a bulk of wiring that comes out of the back of these screens, so we just got some wire loom there and going in through a little slotted hole I put in the ABS. The screen fits perfectly flush. From Icon, we were able to obtain a whole new braking system, although the new master cylinder they sent us was defective, so we just cleaned up and put the original one in there. It's working great. For whatever reason, the hydraulic fluid would not come out of the second port towards the back lines. No matter what we did, it just wasn't happening. So it's all new lines, all new calipers front to back, and here we go. I hope the customers are happy with this. The original drive system was absolutely toast. Icon, our local Icon dealer, was no help in doing the repairs before they contacted us. So, we told them we could do a swap, and here it is. And it drives quite nice though. You got your controls down here. We used the original toggle switch from the Icon, the original key switch, just a 2-wire at USB port. We supplied power to it as well. All right. And turn signal switch. That's also from the DS harness, the deluxe harness. So that's it.